Hello and welcome to BZW-1. Today we are introducing the BZW-7C tape wrapping machine. The machine works with linerless adhesive tapes, including cloth tape and PVC electrical tape. It offers a capacity of up to 3,000 cycles per hour, with adjustable tape length from 55 to 100 mm and tip width from 10 to 45 mm. An optional touch-activated switch can also be fitted for more convenient operation. With its touchscreen interface, the BZW-7C enables precise adjustment of wrap count and wrapping speed, while the integrated production counter displays real-time output. It supports both spot wrapping at a fixed position and spiral wrapping along the length, easily adapting to different production requirements. Its mechanism ensures smooth, wrinkle-free application, maintaining a consistent 50% overlap on each lap for a neat, uniform finish.